Let's take a look at mentoring. Frequently, mentoring is included in diversity and inclusion programming. In this developmental relationship, the mentor provides support, advice, connections, and other benefits to the mentee. Some successful senior women and women of color often say that mentoring was key in their career development. Informal mentoring relationships develop spontaneously between people attracted to each other for professional and personal reasons. Many employers started formal mentoring programs by organizing mentor-protégé pairs. The two major processes in informal mentoring relationships are psychosocial and career. Psychosocial functions instead enhance identity, effectiveness, and confront the professional role through role modeling, counseling, and friendship. Career functions help the protege prepare for career progress. They include sponsorship, exposure, coaching, delegation of challenging assignments, and protection. Informal mentoring continues over time as long as partners wish, although the relationship nature is likely to change over time as the protege matures professionally. Formal mentoring, in contrast, is organized by the employer or another organization, matches proteges with mentors who agree to participate, and usually lasts 1 year or less. Some mentoring programs have become group mentoring, which actually functions as a network.